Hello everyone! Welcome back with yet an amazing video. In this video, you will be learning the complete admission process in Lithuanian universities, including step-by-step admission application process, documents required, eligibility criteria, language requirement, and total cost of studying in Lithuania. When we make the videos, we make sure that we are bringing some unique and unconventional study opportunities, which are budget-friendly and jam-packed with jobs, settlement, and PR opportunities. So make sure you are to subscribe to the channel to stay informed about amazing opportunities for study abroad. So let's dive into today's topic. Lithuania is a small and such a beautiful Schengen country in Europe. Now in Lithuania, admissions are open right now, and some universities will open for applications in March. And admission closes in June for international students. So it's the best time to apply for admission, because it is advised to apply for admission as early as possible to secure a place in university. Now let's talk about the admission process. Admission is very simple and easy. First thing you need to do is go to the website you are watching on your screen right now. Then go to the study programs, or you can browse by particular university by clicking on universities. But for this tutorial, I'll be clicking on the study program. Then choose your program you want to apply for. Let's pick the bachelor program here. Now as you can see, you have multiple filters to apply on, like city, university, program, language, and even you can select a university according to your budget by clicking on tuition, and much more. And if you scroll down the page, you will see the unlimited program options like arts, finance and accounting, administration, engineering, IT, medical, and much more. In Lithuania, you can even find the programs of BBA, MBA, and short courses as well. Once you have found a program of your interest, simply click on it. For example, let's click on Accounting and Audit Program. Once the new page is open, at first you can see the admission deadline, a little overview of the program and university. Then go to the bottom of the page and click on More Information. The new tab will be open for the application page. Here, you can see the full details of the program, credit hours, fee structure, and much more. They even have full details of what you will be learning and what career opportunities you can have after completion of your degree. And to apply for this program, here on the right side, click on Apply Now. Once you click on it, on the new page, you will click once again on the Apply Now button. And then you will sign up your account with your email and process your application. Now let me tell you what documents you need to apply in Lithuania. Your previous academic documents must be verified. Your passport, motivation letter, and IELTS minimum 5.5 bands. It can take up to 1 month for university to process your admission. Once the whole process is done, you'll receive your admission offer letter. And fee submission deadline. Now let's talk on how much does it cost to study in Lithuania. For bachelor, tuition fee will be from 2,000 to 6,000 euros per year. And for masters, the tuition fee is between 1,000 to 5,000 euros, which depends on your program and university. Moreover, you have to pay a 100 euro admission application fee. In addition to that, you can even get a scholarship. But for that, you have to secure an admission in Lithuanian universities. Let me know in the comment section if you want detailed information scholarship opportunities in Lithuania. Now when you received your offer letter and pay the university fee, you're all set to apply for Lithuanian visa. And I have a dedicated video on the Lithuania visa application process. All the necessary links are in the description. Don't forget to check them out. That's all for now, and I will see you in the next one.